What if I told you that you already know how to program? Take the spending checklist, write what you bought, record the amount, pick a category, and check your balance or your total. That Python code, exact same steps, just written for a computer. A program is a set of instructions for a computer. Your checklist, instructions for your money. So programming is a set of instructions in a language your computer understands. Why Python? 1. It reads like English. 2. It's built for beginners. 3. You get results fast. Compared to other languages, Python wins on simplicity every time. And is the world's most popular language right now. That's why we are starting here. Python runs everywhere. It runs on your laptop, on your phone, web browser, the cloud, and even AI tools to help you code. One language, all of these. So what can you build with Python? You can build automation files, logic and mini quizzes, chat and insights, personal expense tracker, AI helpers, and even web dashboards. We'll be building an expense tracker throughout the course using concepts from the various tutorials, so stay tuned. Today we have learned a few things like what programming is, why Python, where it runs, and how to start it. Drop in the comments what your tracker will do first. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell. I'm Pat Moyeboa and see you in the next video.